Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. So, neither actually and Priya, is there any progress on the yesterday's code on the demo and the check setup? I hope you guys ran those codes. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
So, the setup, what is the output you got for the setup? Priya?
Priya, Priya, are you there? Yeah, Priya.
Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, Priya, you can
Yes,
share
ma'am.
your screen and yeah, you can share your screen and try to show us.
And have you run the code demo hello also?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what
I
did you
have
do?
sent it for sir also. Yes, sir.
Nice. What is the output you got?
I got successful one.
You got the API code. Like second one should be API. Like it will be testing the API one. So you didn't got there.
Google API is readable. I got.
Mm. Okay, cool. You have gone through the code.
Yes, ma'am. I have gone.
How it is working? You got it?
Yes.
Or is there any other doubts? Neerajakshi as well. You can put some points if there are any.
Actually, I done with check setup, but I not download the hello file.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
share, ma'am. If possible, can you share those links and the document again if you have a
Okay.
handy?
Okay.
Yeah, because yesterday I was trying to download, but it is not happened in my laptop. I don't know. If
Mm-hmm.
it is possible, please share it.
I'll
Please
share the
upload
demo
in. Please upload those files also in Drive.
drive. Okay.
Uh, then I can give them access, so they will download.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Let me check. Demo file, right? Okay. I have sent you the demo.hello. Just download it and try running it.
Yeah, Tulsi, you can also try. And so actually, Tulsi was asking yesterday,
Mhm.
that link. Tulsi, so what's the link you asked? AI Studio something, right?
Okay, API key, she's
Yeah,
asking.
I think it's in the chart actually. I could able to see.
Hi, Tulsi.
Well, Tulsi, you can unmute.
Hello. Yeah, I'm not able to hear you actually. I
Is she trying to?
you're asking something like.
So Lucy, can you check your headset or remove headset, something like that? You can just try it out and or else you can chat. Mm. So Lucy, I sent you the API link in the WhatsApp and also check there.
So basically, what I'm thinking is that yesterday we did all the setup, guys. So today we will be coming across all the the major things which is helpful for the AI to build up. The first step we are going to do is that we should be learning what are important in the like for the Python basics itself. Okay. So if everyone is done with the code and running, and if there are no other doubts, we can go ahead with that topics.
Ma'am, I run demo hello
Mhm.
file. It
Okay.
successful loaded API key.
Okay. Just go through the code as well, what it is
Okay,
doing and all, and let me know if there is some blocker for you.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Tulsi, is there any blocker for you? And Neerjakshi, you can come up if there are any. We will take another 2 minutes or 3 minutes for this, and we will go ahead. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Meanwhile, just open the terminals, VS Code and all. So everyone done with the testing and got clear, or is there any other doubts? Just give me the thumbs up if possible and we'll move ahead. Okay, let's. Shall we go ahead, guys? Tulasi? I hope Neil actually have no doubts, Priya. So Tulasi is
Yeah, my side, no doubts, ma'am.
clear. Thank you. So Tulasi? Okay, I hope it as a no, and let's go ahead. I'll share my screen. So hope you can see my screen. So today, we will be going to the Python basics. Okay. What were that important is that variables, how the function works, and also the control for flows, and what were the types of them. So if anyone knew about Python basics, or they already know.
Yeah, hi Shreya ma'am. They know basics it seems,
Mm-hmm.
and I think just like you just give the heads up. Like if they want,
Oh.
we can take it too deep. Otherwise, if they are understanding, we can go on the heads up level. And
Mm-hmm.
Tulsi yesterday she didn't join the call, so she had another meeting outside. So she
Okay.
went
Okay.
there. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why she would not able to do few things.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile,
So,
she will do the setup after this
yeah,
call.
yeah, you can follow the class today, Tulsi. And again, after that, you can do the setup by using a video. If there are any doubts, you can come to me, and you can do the hands-on as well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
now
you
you
are.
are.
Okay,
Cool.
okay.
So let us see what are the variables. Like variable is just like a name for a value. Like think about your phone. Like you don't remember some your friend's name, right? A friend's number. Like 10 digits, it will be there. You don't know everyone's number will not be remembering it. So we will save it as so and so. So Tulsi number I don't know. So I will save her number as Tulsi, right? The Tulasi is the variable here, and the number is the value which assigned to that variable. You got it? Like we in Python we write these variables with the equals. Okay, naming will be on the left side and the value will be on the right side. For the simple example, I'll tell you like so. What is the variable here? It can be any desired value also. Hyderabad, which is a string. You'll know the types of the variables we are having also. No, the basic syntax is, the print is the one we use. So, what we are doing here? So what I have done is name is the variable and Ravi is the name which is assigned. And this is nothing but whatever they are present in the right side, they are nothing but the values. I will run it. So what you can see, I have only printed name and the age. That's why, what is the output we got? Ravi and 25. I'll be adding the city also now, which is a variable by the way. We don't want any semicolons or anything out there. Okay. So if we change the name to Priya here, okay, what happens? What will be the output for the name here? Any idea? What will be the output for this? So let us go through that. It changed it to Priya because the first assigned value for the name is Ravi, but again that the backend goes from name to age, which is 25, and then the name and the name is the duplicate variable which is already present before. Now the name is assigned to Priya. So what happens? Priya will be replacing Ravi here. That's why we got it goes to the same way. Like if the age is changed after like in front, after that it will be changing its value, and the value which is present before ahead, that will be replacing the value which is in the uh, past value which we have assigned. Next, let's go to the types. So, types, every value has a type, right? What kind of thing it is. Basically, in the real world, if we are saying Priya is a female, Ravi is a male, in the same way, we have also the types in the words, right? String it is, we have integers, float, boolean, none. These are the kind of words will be using. Yeah, let me copy this. We can use the same thing over here also. So this is known as string it is. This is integer. This is again, what is this one? This is again string here. And this is also string. There is another one which is, if we are saying height of Ravi, or that will be on float 5.8, let's say. This is float. Float is nothing but like pointers, 1.2, 1.01, after 1, like between 1 and 2, the numbers which are coming, those are the float numbers, we call it. The float. Whether a student, which is, this is known as a boolean, like true or false or nothing else. That is the part of the boolean. Like and coming to the float number, this were like decimal numbers. This is not much famous. None is the one, is nothing but it is not written at, there will be no value will be returning. If there is a function saying we have to return true or false or return none, we don't want function to be returning anything at that points, then we will be using this none, which will be returning nothing. That is the part of this none. This is the type as well, which is called as none only. So let's see, like we are printing 10 plus 10, and we are also trying to print this one. So can you guys guess any output for this? Like what will be the output for 11 and 12? Any guesses? Okay, I'll go forward. Let's save it first. What will be the output? 10 plus 10. This is the basic math. And here also 10 plus 10. That is what I do. So basically, this gives the output as 20. Coming to here, like, no, we have given it in the codes. What is the format of the string? We have made 10 as a string here. Like Priya is under the quotes, so 10 is under the quotes, which is string. 10 is now string. So what will be the output here? This will be the output. Like, because when we are combining two integers, it will do the addition. Okay, while we are doing like while we are using the addition symbol for the two strings, it combines the two strings. You can see the output now. See? Yeah. So let's say how we can get this 1010 output as 20. Not trying this way, but there is another way saying conversion of the one type into the another type. How we do that is that, like print int of 10. Now what we can expect the output as? Now the output will be 20 because the number which is given in the brackets is string obviously, but after we are converting that string into int. Okay, so the output will be, so what is the progress going inside it? Like we have changed it from string to integer, so this is the position again. So then what will be the output? It will be 20. That's how it works. We can also convert string into integer, integer into like a float into integer, integer into float, like vice versa. In the same way we can use it like float of let's see. Sorry, float number I have given, so we should give, we're changing it to integer only here. So here what happened, like this is the output we got, like 20. Why we got the 20? Because the string is already converted into integer. That's why 10 plus 10 is 20. But what happened here? 5.8 is okay. I haven't saved the code afterwards. Okay. Let me run it again. It should come 5. Yes. Because we have changed. What is the number given inside the before conversion? It is 5.8, which is float number. After that, we are trying to convert. We need only 5. Okay. If we are trying to print, if you want to say another conversion, float of some, I have given 6. Or if we are saying 6 divided by 2, what? Let's see. The output also will be turning us 6.0 because 6.0 is a float number. Got it? So coming to the none also, none means there is no value at, like not 0, not empty. Like 0 marks means like you wrote the exam and got nothing. Like none means haven't written the exam but different kind of situation. Like it will be returning none, it will be neutral kind of thing. That is the thing. If it is done, let's move to functions. So let me ask you on the final question, what will be the output for three? Any guesses? Priya, Nirajakshi, Tulasi. Yeah, tell me, Tulasi.
Ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am.
Oh, what do you not understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Like, tell me.
Like, where are you telling? What are you telling? I didn't understand.
So, this is nothing but you know the basics of Python, Tulasi?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
So, what I'm trying to tell you now, do you know the concepts of types?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yeah, you know the conversions of types?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yeah, that is what I'm trying to convey here. And at the same time, if you know that, can you tell me the output of this one? So, leave it. What will be the output for this?
Hello, what is your name? Welcome to Agentic AI.
What is the screen you can see? I am already typing here.
The screen on VS Code only, ma'am.
VS Code types.py. You're not visible. You're not able to see
Demo
that.
hollow Python file only
Yo,
visible.
you guys seeing wrong screen and you haven't tell me. Now,
It's visible now.
oh my god! Please tell me, guys, if you're not able to see the screen. This is what I am typing and telling you already.
Yeah.
It's okay. You guys can come up saying there is no screen visible. If not, will not be clear on the coming sessions also, right? Oh, what you can see now? Everyone can see the types.py.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, cool. So I'll recap the things which I have told you till now. So variables.py also you guys missed or you understood the concept. Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the concept of. Yeah, great. I'll just recap. Variables is nothing but will be giving the value, and this is the like value which is assigned to the variable. And if the variable is assigned later with the same name or something, it will be replacing the one which is before that. So that's why what we got. So see, Priya is replacing Ravi here, right? Next, we will go to the topic types. Types is nothing but we have different types, which is string, integer, float, boolean, and none type. Okay, string is nothing but the names, words like little words which were strings. Integers were nothing but the values like 1, 2, 3 whole numbers. And coming to the float, they were the decimal numbers, and boolean is nothing but true or false, and none is nothing but it will be returning nuns. We will be using in while returning in the functions we will be using this none. So what I am trying to do here is like 10 plus 10. What will be the output here? 20. But while we are giving strings, it combines that and we'll get the output as 1010 because it is not present as an integer, it is present as a string here. And why there is another part in this, if there is a trouble, we can also convert the string. The beautiful thing of it is that we can convert the string into integer into string, and we can change the integer into the float into integer, like vice versa. So that is what I'm trying to do here, and I am now asking you guys what will be the output for this one. So now can you guess the answer? What's happening here basically?
15 is correct now.
Okay, 15 is one output. Okay. Next, any guesses? 15. I'll give you 1 more minute. Just think and answer. Okay, chalo. The output will be, you can see the 5 is the string here, which is in double quotes, and 3 is the integer. Right? What will be the output is? This is the output. Let's see what it is. See? Because it is 5 is the string which is multiplied by 3 means it is coming 3 times here. Like if the 5 is integer, as usual, I think someone said 15, right? That will be the output. Because both are integers, 5 threes are 15. That is the output we got. But in this case, we have 5 as string. That's why we got 555. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, if you guys are clear with this topic, we can move forward. Okay, let me ask you before I had one other example. If you are clear, I should get the answer. What will be the output for this? Guys, Tulasi?
Yeah, ma'am. Tulsi has some network issues. She's trying to join
Oh,
again.
okay, okay. Remaining girls? The output of this will be what? Otherwise, we'll not be moving to the next one. Just give right or wrong, just give it a word.
7,
Okay, try.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
7.
7 it is. Okay. Any other? What happened? Just observe this one. I did the same tactics over here. So what happens? Just tell me. So it came 1010 when combining, like plus acts as a combination here for the strings, right? I have given 3 as a string. Now x as an integer. What happens now? So x is the integer now and 3 is the string.
43, ma'am.
Okay. Another output is 43. Nice. Any other tries? Yes, the output is the 43. Good one. So let's move to the next one, which is functions. Okay. Function, function is nothing but a set of steps you give to a name to. So you can run it whenever you want. Like, for example, if you want real time example, if we are making a tea, so let's say we need to boil the water, we need to say tea powder or tea leaves, we need to add milk, we need to add sugar, we need to strain at last. Total, how many steps we are going? There are around 5 to 6 steps we need to do to complete a tea, right? So like, but you don't know, you don't say like every 5 steps will be done every time. So you say like make tea, that is the function call. Like the function is like make tea and the steps will be inside that. So what the function is doing, we have 5 steps to complete it. So we will just call do make tea. So what happens? It just calls this make tea, and obviously the 5 steps, other 5 steps will be running, and we will get the tea as the output, right? So basically, it holds the whole data which needs to be done with the name. This will be the function which is acting and responsible for those 5 steps. So let's write it. So the basic definition of function is def. What happened? Okay. Bring. Let's skip all the steps. T is ready. Let's say T is ready. So we are making the call saying, yeah. See, what I am doing. What is the def here? Def means I am defining. I'm defining that with the name make t here, then the colon, then we are proceeding with the steps in with the namespaces. The Python consists of the namespaces. This is the specified one, but the code is very easable and feasible, which we can able to read and understand. What is the function is doing? It is making the t and saying t is ready at last. So but writing down doesn't make the tip. But yeah, the function call, like what is the function, what is supposed to do, like to get you to get the definition for you, I'm using this simple example so that you'll be understanding, so that you know what actually do it in the real time. So you can see recipe is written. Nobody meeting. Okay. So let's say what is the output we were expecting here. So we are just calling this function and it does the remaining things. Okay. What happened? See, we just called this function. We didn't did anything, right? You can we can take another example. Sorry. Okay. We'll do the another example where can understand like what we will be adding. So let's say if the definition is that we are giving the inputs as two integers, which is a and b. Okay, then we need to return this one. Answer we need as we're calling add, which is a function ab, which is expecting ab. Those should be like I want the addition of two numbers. So let's say 6 plus 8, 6 comma 8. Then we will ask it to print answer here. Okay. See what is the output? 6 plus 8, which is 14. We got the output. What happened here is the what really you should understand. So basically it starts here. Answer equal to add of 6 comma 8, which is returning to here, which is saying like 6 comma 8. Add is the function, so it is checking is there a function called add before that. So it checked there is an add, which is also having a and b, which are the integer it is expecting, and we have given because the integer the addition we are doing, so 6 comma 8 we have given 6 comma 8, and it is returning a plus b, which is addition of both the numbers which we have done. If it is, you know, it can be strings also. See, if we are giving any strings, this will be the combination like which we have done before, right? What will be the output here now? Guys, I need answer from you for this.
String is multiple. Oh,
Yeah,
party.
I did the addition here, plus, plus. And here for your clearer view, I'm saying you the clue also. I have sent strings here. 5, 8 are the strings. How the strings will be looking with the columns, right? I have given 5, 8 are the strings. Now A and B are the strings. Now what happens if I do A plus B? If it is wrong also, just say it, guys. Okay, chalo, let's see the output. What is that? Yes, it's 58. Okay. Okay. So what is print and written does? Print is nothing but it prints the statement whatever we give it. Like let's say we have print the recipe is ready, nobody made tea. It is printing that statement here. Right. We're coming to the written. It is for the code which we wrote inside the function or anything. Written is nothing but writing the answer in the paper, which is which is it is in your hand. You can use it and pass it to someone else, add something to it or keep it. It's like that. If your computer is not heard of anything, the output or anything, it will be returning none only. Okay. So let's go to the control flows if you're clear with this functions, because these are the basic things we'll be using further and more. If you have seen the code of the demo also, we used the control flows which will be talking now, and also there is definition functions also. If you understood that, this class will be where is very much understood, I guess. Hope you guys are clear with the functions, or can I come up with another example? You need another example, means just let me know. Or else, shall we move to the control flows?
Ma'am, I think that's fine for today. Let them try and so
Okay.
give some task, okay? Because nobody is speaking.
Hmm. It's okay.
Let
But
them
then,
try and get some knowledge. So they'll see this video and they'll understand the things. Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
that would be better. Mm.
Okay. The last topic for the today is control flow. I'll say that and I'll wind up the session.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is the control flows? Like control flows are nothing but if you heard of if, else, these were the control flows, nothing but like if we are saying marks equal to 75. So why it is showing the error here? Because the basic syntax of the if else is if colon some print statements, let's say, then else colon. But still why it is showing? Because we didn't give any conditional statement here. See, the red color is gone here. And why it is showing red here earlier? Because it needs a naming convention. See, this is the basic syntax of if else statements. So coming to here, let's just give the colon and it is done. So run this code. So now see this. So the number which is we given is 75. If it is greater than or equal to 35, it will print as pass, else it is fail, because it is a conditional thing which we have stating now. There is a middle case also, like let's say if it is like that, let's state extension L if there is some other conditional based, if say greater than or equal to 35, which is was again. So what happens here? So we have given 75. It will check whether 75 greater than or equal to 75. So it will print the distinction. It is fine. And we are also checking another condition. They will say pass. And if the number is not coming under any of it, let's say 20, what happens? If
Fail
any
only.
number, yeah, correct. It will come as fail. So let's see what will be the see distinction. So let's say why if I am saying okay, I haven't saved this code, that's why okay. Basically it should come as fail. So fail here. Okay. So let's say I have another question for you guys. So here I am coming distinctions. Why 75 is also greater than or equal to 35? Why I am not getting pass? Because if one condition is satisfied, it will not be checking remaining conditions here. Then it will print this one and leave it. Like if 75 is greater than or equal to 75, or let's say it is 85. So it is passing this condition as well as this one. But the statement which is given at the first is already true. So that's why it will not check the remaining conditions here and it will go for this one only. That is the difference. I want to put a point on that. And there is okay, these conditions and all we can going forward. I will explain you. Okay. Yeah. So going forward, like there are some other conditional exceptions we can learn maybe on Monday. Yeah. Like as time is already 10:08, I won't block you guys for much. Already I have took 8 minutes from you. Yeah, such a, you can continue if there is some other point, and there if there are any rounds, let me know, guys. And also, I'll leave some task for you after some time. I think Sachit will be forwarding that to you too. Yeah. And also, Tulsi, be ready with the setup so that going forward we need that API key and also the setup need to be done, because if you want to run the code, we need that. Yeah, got it? Neerajakshi, you're on mute. You're saying something?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Clear, right?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, great. Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great. Okay, Sachit, over to you.
Yeah, I think we can drop the call.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.